Welcome to 1218 Oakwood Loop, one of the most unique properties I've ever visited, particularly in the Central Texas Wimberley area. We have this really killer house behind us, a log cabin, 24 acres, and we are nestled right in the middle of the kind of the weird of Central Texas. So we're in the shadow of Austin, far and away from Austin to be quieter and a lot more spread out. Wimberley's maybe 10 minutes that way. You've got Devil's Backbone for an awesome motorcycle ride if you want to go 10 minutes the other way. And if you had to go back to I-35 to San Marcos, it's there waiting for you. But I think we should take a quick look inside the house and around the grounds. Let me show you why this thing is so unique and awesome. When you see a listing like this, you'll see it has a fireplace, but that only tells half the story. So this is a hand-stacked native stone floor to ceiling with a low entry fireplace, which makes an amazing centerpiece to a house like this, and something really unique that everybody can sit around and drink whiskey, enjoy the sunset, and just enjoy each other's company. Like I said, unique. Back patio comes equipped with a clawfoot tub that you can sit on the back porch, watch the sun go down in general privacy, and just live free. There's a beautiful, entertaining pool, not the kind you just jump in and hang out, but the kind that your friends, family, maybe even people you don't necessarily know can hang out. So it's flagstone all the way around. It's got a hot tub. I've got a little playpen for the kids, and of course a playpen for the adults. There's a fully stocked bar, water, electricity, everything. Even a shower, which is private, not the kind where you have to stand there with all your clothes on. You can enjoy it and have a different kind of party. We've got a stage down there, outdoor fire. There's a hanging bed inside of a rock structure. Yes, I said that, down here. So a lot more to explore, and it's a beautiful opportunity to entertain. So it's not just a picnic table off the edge of your pool. There's a hand-built picnic table in a tree under the canopy of an oak tree. Beautiful shade, and just a great place to entertain and hang out for the weekend. Even little details like heading to the back of the property, they put a grotto behind the little pond, so when you're going to check on the well, it's an exploration adventure. So this property's all about imagination and uniqueness, and the rabbit house is no exception to that. So the rabbit house, last I was told, it fits 40 rabbits. Maybe you have something else you want to raise in there. But either way, makes for an incredible opportunity and a story. And now I'd like to welcome you to the sanctuary. This is a chapel that you could use for a variety of different purposes. Seats up to 80. You've got a place for the choir, if you were so inclined to have a choir. And just an awesome opportunity for rentals, for family events, anything your imagination can think of. And it's on your property, it's yours. And this, folks, is the rock car. I don't know what else to say about it other than the fact that it is a car completely immersed in rocks, which is very cool, very unique, and very eclectic, just like the rest of the property. For me, one of the best parts of the property is just how relaxing it is, peaceful. You can sit just about anywhere and forget about everywhere except here. So the property does feature a barn. If you've got horses and you want to do something equine, you've got some basic stuff already set up. So electricity run to it, there's stalls inside. You've even got a corral and a tackle room in there ready to go. All right, so that was the basic property. We took a look around, walked it, went through all the different details, but to really get a sense of it, you've got to be here. So reach out, call, text, smoke signals don't work that well, and let us know when you're ready. We'll take you on a quick walk around.